Friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to boost CPU speed in Windows 11. So, let's start. At first, go to the Task Manager. Now, click on Performance. In CPU Options, we can see processor, slot, speed and etc. We can increase our processor quantity to speed up our computer. To boost your CPU speed, go to the Run command, and type msconfig and OK. After this, you can see the dialog box for increasing your processor. Select Boot Options. Click Advanced Options. Click the number of processors, and select the highest number of processors. Now, click OK, and after this, click Apply and OK. Now restart your computer for better performance. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.